Hello guys, today we're gonna do a challenge. Don't push the button, a Christmas adventure. Let's try to not get tempted to push the button. Try the challenge. If you push the button on your screen, you only have 3 chances. But I will press it to see what happens for you guys, okay? Okay, but don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't push the button. A Christmas adventure. Beep.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You know Larry's rule. Don't push the button!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You know Larry's rule. Don't push the button. Beep. Santa's on his way. You don't want to end up on the naughty list, do you? Beep. Gosh, it sure is pretty tough. Psst, I don't think any elves are watching. Maybe give the button one teensy push. Beep! Golly, you turned me green like a Christmas tree. Push it again. Beep. Now I really look like a Christmas tree. Okay, that's enough. Push the button 2 times to make me purple again. Beep, beep.
Yikes! I look like a candy cane. Push the button 3 times.
Yikes! I look like a candy cane. Push the button 3 times. Beep, beep, beep. Hey, watch it, buddy. Quick, shake the book to get rid of these elves. Oh no, all that shaking made it snow. Try pushing the button super hard. Hey you, that's my nose. I can see Santa coming. Quick, clap your hands to get me back to normal. Larry, I'm so glad I found you. I need you and your friend to help start my sleigh. Beep. Can you help me start Santa's sleigh? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Guys, push it. 3, 2, 1. Push. Beep. The end.